Your attention is under attack every single day. These 7 proven steps will help you rebuild your focus and take back control. 1. Eliminate distractions before you begin. Most people try to focus while leaving every distraction within reach. Their phone is on the desk, notifications are turned on, and dozens of tabs are open. Before you start any important task, remove everything competing for your attention. Put your phone in another room, close unnecessary tabs, and create a workspace that makes focus the easiest option. 2. Train your brain with focused work sessions. Don't expect yourself to focus for hours on day 1. Start with just 25 minutes of complete concentration followed by a short break. Repeat the process a few times. Your attention span grows stronger every time you practice uninterrupted focus. 3. Stop multitasking. Your brain isn't built to handle several important tasks at the same time. Every time you switch between tasks, you lose momentum and waste mental energy. Instead, focus on one task until it's finished, then move to the next. Deep work will always beat divided attention. 4. Reduce cheap dopamine. Endless scrolling, short-form videos, constant notifications, and instant entertainment train your brain to expect excitement every few seconds. That's why reading, studying, or working starts to feel boring. Reduce these distractions and replace them with activities that require effort, like reading, walking, exercising, or learning a new skill. 5. Practice boredom. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with focus today is that they never allow themselves to be bored. The moment there is silence, they reach for their phone. Instead, spend a few minutes each day without entertainment. Sit quietly, take a walk without music, or let your mind wander. Boredom gives your brain the space it needs to rebuild creativity and concentration. 6. Sleep and move your body. A tired brain cannot perform at its best. Getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, staying hydrated, and taking care of your health directly improves your ability to focus. You can't expect an exhausted mind to produce your best work. 7. Make focus a daily habit. Attention isn't built in one productive day. It's built through repetition. Schedule a dedicated block of distraction-free work every day, even if it's only 30 minutes. The more often you protect your focus, the stronger it becomes. Eventually, concentration will stop feeling difficult and become part of who you are. Your attention is one of the most valuable assets you have. In a world where everyone is fighting for your focus, the person who can concentrate deeply has a huge advantage. Every notification you ignore, every distraction you resist, and every focused session you complete is making your mind stronger. You don't need perfect discipline overnight. You just need to protect your attention one decision at a time. Comment focus if you're ready to rebuild your attention span. And subscribe to Inspire Sense for more proven strategies that help you build discipline, sharpen your mind, and become the best version of yourself.